What is up, YouTube people? We're at some random car meet in Brisbane at DFO. I'm wearing a lady's jacket, and yeah, hopefully we see some cool stuff later, and I make this actually into a vlog instead of just keeping the footage like I usually do for shit. But yeah, we brought out a BMW. I've got my cute Japanese model. Get the angles. Oh yeah, no, and you got to kick the leg up. Anyway, so yeah, we've nailed the car meet already. But yeah, keep you guys in the loop.
Oh really? Yeah, probably quite fast. I don't need to slow down, I just want to go fast. What are you even doing?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's illegal to build a Supra and not make it ridiculous.
Also, I love how light the bonnet is. Look at it just flopping around the wind.
Yeah, the absolute dream.
It's got stabilizers. I didn't realise.
Still don't know about it.
Like 400 PS run or something.
300. I'm gonna rate it, I reckon. 300, isn't it?
I also do not care, but oops.
We didn't want to put screws in his overs, so we just glued them on.
I like that.
So it's almost molded in.
I like how this is all on like film too. It's like, yeah, this is all. Didn't even bother putting any of this shit on properly. That's what it's about. Tell us about it.
I don't want to. I just realised that I've probably been talking whilst you were videoing.
Oh yeah, you've literally been
People
like...
are going to hear me yammer on nonsense.
Yeah, people are like, oh, Michael talks?
He doesn't just type mean things on
Yeah.
the internet? Yeah, I say words. You want to see my sweet guard crack?
Yeah, I'd like to see your guard crack.
Shoddy workmanship.
Yeah. I mean, if you did any work on my car, I
only
wouldn't
got
pay
painted
you.
in June. Realise it? Realise cars in America? Like the teal cars? I like unnecessary shit.
Like
Yeah, these
Japanese massage porn.
It's not porn, eh?
Yeah. Like the darker colour.
Hello, Pecky. What's going on? Long time no see.
Yeah, you too.
Sacks?
Oh yeah.
356 doesn't work now? Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Is that all?
Is got into the other one?
waiting on seals and front panels.
They make it. Hey, I like your music, Jack.
Thanks. Appreciate that. Now that's what we're here for.
What are you crying about?
Thanks.
Jack?
Thanks, son's crying. Yeah. Very red. Dream. PBS. I don't know, Dave, give me some torchlight. It's alright, I'll wait. Dave, the viewers are waiting.
It came like that.
Yeah.
Hang on, just tweeting something.
Oh yeah. You use Twitter, do you?
No.
Parlour or die, you know? Anyway, check out this sick paint job. It's like full glitter blue. Looks...
Your focus.
Oh yeah, we'll focus one day. Looks amazing. And like the wheels are absolutely redonkulous. Holy shit.
Most boring coming.
No, it's going to be titled Brisbane's most insane car meet. Yeah, get that shot. Get that shot. Look at this. Look at this.
Turbo's on the wrong side.
S15 with a 1J. You have one of these.
But it's a Sylvia and the turbo's supposed to be black.
No, well, it's meant to be
But it
half
has-
as much
it has
motor.
Pinky purple anodized stuff, so that's solid.
It's obviously cool. I can back that. I don't think any of this showed up on the camera, so I'm leaving this clip in 100%. That's all we do here, quality. It's pretty low, so it's cool, you know. That's how that works. Because I live and breathe.
We all squeezed in that small.
Put in the family car.
What's going on?
How much?
Hello, little human.
Oh,
well, not you. I'm not fucking talking to you, dude. You're a big human.
Speaking on behalf, mate.
What's going on? Bye. Yeah, he gave me the shirts. Yeah. Alright, so that was pretty much the whole experience of the car meet. It's, I don't know, car meets are really fucking boring. I would rather drift events. So, anyway, if you guys got this far in the video, thank you for watching. Check out the damn merchandise. And, oh, what car event were we at? What meet are we at? Garage Star? Garage Star, maybe. Anyway, there was some cool cars, but, like, looking at cars parked in a car park isn't really my vibe. But I'm glad we came, because it was something to do on a Friday night. And we kind of made a little video for you guys. So anyway, again, thank you for watching. Thumbs up the video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll get back to drifting content next week.